Hi students, their discipline information in the communication technology. The laboratory work team is installing and the use of application programs in the professional sphere. So purpose of laboratory work, the purpose of this class are to give an idea of editing, proofing, formatting with MS Word and MATLAB, and to provide an introduction to tables, pictures, clip, art and shapes, smart arts and charts. The learning objectives: having studied this class, the students can get about idea, editing the text, proofing the text, formatting the paragraphs, formatting pages or documents, working with tables, working with pictures and the clip arts, creating image and the uses charts, designing charts using smart arts and working with charts. So now let's look at, first of all, let's look MATLAB. Let's talk about the MATLAB, and then we will go to Microsoft Word. I have already opened my MATLAB page, this mathwork, and there is product, solution, academia, support, community events. So you can get all these things from here. For example, MATLAB answers, and for questions from here you can ask question. You can ask question from here. What is MATLAB? For example, like this. See, from here you can get your answer for your question. Then there is see, why do I get define error when coming code? It's answering for this question. Okay, we have understand, I think, this one, and we will go to my MATLAB and MATLAB Central. This is for doing exercises. It's good for doing exercises and a lot of codes in here. We can find it and getting answers for your questions and getting shapes and understanding every lesson from here. If you don't understand this, from here you can get it. Okay, now let's talk about Microsoft Word. Here is Microsoft Word, and we are going to write formulas from here. We have to go from here and for formulas here, and we can write, for example, if we want to write like 5 degree of 52 degree of 8, like this, we can write like this, and also again go to and write from here. Write the formulas, adding formulas like this. So if you want to write different types of formulas, for example, like this, so we can write it. For example, like this. Okay, we had a formula, so you have seen how to write the formulas. Now let's create the table, cells. Let's create the cells like this. We can create it, and if you don't have to need some of them, you can just clean it by plastic. Okay. Now let me show you how to put how to put page images from here, for example. For example, like this, we have already put, and we can change the picture by using designs like this, or like this, or even like this. We can change it. So we have already changed it, and also there are word art. So getting good and nicer letters from them, there is word art. We can choose in every one. For example, subject of ICT. See, it's more nicer and more cooler than simple text. And from here we can choose the design from like Times New Roman, like this, so your text will be more nicer than ever. And also we can put in here ranks, from here ranks border for your page. For example, like this, we can put it, or if you want to some with picture, we can get from here. For example, Christmas trees, like this. So I think you get information how to work with MATLAB and Microsoft Word. Now let's go to our lesson. There is key question for the team. Try to answer the questions and give your answers to your teacher for checking it. And there is tasks. Read the theory and try to do these tasks and give your exercise to your teacher for checking it. And there is also practical tasks for you, how to work with Word, and try to do it and give your exercise work to your teacher for checking it. Okay, there is also practical tasks, writing formulas and getting exercises, so try to do it and give to your teacher for checking it. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. This is end of our laboratory work 15. Goodbye.